Yo, what is going on, everyone in the XRP community? Hope you guys are having yourselves a fantastic day today as usual. Welcome to day one of Ripple Swell, and we already got a press release, fellas. First off, I would like to say that Bitcoin has been actually just booming as soon as the market opened. Immediately just starts booming. And I've been talking about on the channel for a while how one of the biggest things I am looking for is a true Bitcoin all-time high super cycle price discovery breakout. Get Bitcoin to the six-figure mark. That will just drive endless attention into the crypto space, bring a lot more liquidity in, and start bringing some confidence back into the market that, yes, you know, this is post-halving, this is election season. It is time for the 4-year cycle to yet again take over. Dude, this morning, bro, I was watching this. When I woke up, Bitcoin was at like 65,500, right? And then when I went to sleep, Bitcoin was like, you know, just like 65,000. I'm like, okay, whatever. Then I wake up, Bitcoin's like already 66K, and then I just keep watching it, and it just won't stop going up. And this freaking thing goes right to 68K. Or not like officially 68K, but you know, 67,958. Okay, like basically 68K. This thing ripped, bro. Absolutely ripped. Destroyed the local resistance here from August and September. I mean, oh my god. Yeah, we are seeing some rejection, but that's really not even that much of a surprise comparing to just how much volatility there is today. And then that brings me to my next point, which is running the Bitcoin monthly. Fellas, does that not look like... does that not look like the absolute beginning of a rocket flying off, man? I mean, there's no way I'm talking crazy talk here. Like, this is like the beginning of like a Bitcoin rocket right there, man. Right under all-time high. 6-month kind of chopping sideways. A lot of wicks, a lot of liquidation events to the downside that have been, I'm guessing, you know, eaten up by BlackRock. And by the way, not even to mention what BlackRock said yesterday about Bitcoin and crypto in one of their earnings calls. BlackRock literally said that like Bitcoin's going to become like bigger than like the entire real estate industry. Like they were just, you guys seriously got. I'm not going to show that in today's video, but if you look up like on Google, BlackRock, you know, Bitcoin, just look at what they just said. I mean, it's unbelievable, right? But purely from a technical analysis perspective, man, I made a couple of videos about this before where I just kind of think Bitcoin is sort of repeating this kind of thing, which is just like, you know, big impulse, you know, 16K to 30K. Oh my God, the price doubled. And then for like, you know, 6 months, it was just kind of sideways, did nothing, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then it kept going. Then the next one, it's like, oh my God, Bitcoin from 25K to, oh my God, 75. It just broke a new all-time high. And then it's like, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we're kind of on that same track where it's massive expansion, half a year sideways, massive expansion, half a year sideways. And this thing just looks like it's going to absolutely rocket. And fellas, the whole point of me talking about this is if we see Bitcoin make a 6-figure run, that is where we get the primed run for XRP into the double digits. That's what I'm looking for. You know, do I love looking at Bitcoin and relying on Bitcoin to move to get something to happen with XRP? No, I don't like it. But right now, that is the reality that we live in today. Will it be like that forever? I don't think so. But as of right now, with Bitcoin as the top dog of the market and, you know, having massive market cap dominance over everything, we are looking for, yes, we want Bitcoin to move like crazy, enter its super cycle, and then XRP gets carried into what we are looking for. All right. So, just want to let you guys know, yeah, Bitcoin's freaking absolutely booming today. It's only 7 in the goddamn morning. This thing already touched 68K. Might even be a new all-time high later today. You never know. That's how crypto is. All right. Okay. Enough with the Bitcoin price hype and stuff. But this is just something I've been looking for a long time here. I've been waiting for Bitcoin on the macro level to kind of just start running for a breakout here. Even look at the weekly. It just really looks like it's cooking up a just mid-cycle activity move where we're going to get that next expansion into 6 figures. And again, I don't even hold any Bitcoin, dude. But I'm just like, I want to see this thing rise and rise and rise. Look at the Bitcoin 3-month chart. God, does that not look like a freaking rocket? Because when you go to the 3-month chart, it's kind of... Dude, I'm just saying, guys. I'm just saying. Bitcoin is just right under all-time high slightly. And for 6 months, dude, it is just magnetized to right below all-time high. I do not doubt Q4. It's just... We're going to see the 6-figure Bitcoin. And then, oh my God, the market will be back. All right, so... Ripple Swell. Today at Ripple Swell, we're proud to announce our Ripple USD exchange partners. So that's what was announced today. I was expecting RLUSD like going live during Swell. But what it ended up being is that Ripple came out and said that RLUSD is, it is literally ready to go. Like, it is technologically, like, it is flawless, and we are ready to go live with it. But it is pending, New York regulatory approval. And we're going to get into the whole Ripple press release here. But yeah, today, Ripple Swell, we're proud to announce our Ripple USD exchange partners. Upon regulatory approval, RLUSD will be globally available for institutions and users from Uphold, Bitstamp, Bitso, MoonPay, InReserve, which was not apparently the correct username, but I'd like to find out who that is exactly. CoinMena, who I believe is Dubai, and then this just account called Bullish, the Gibraltar DLT license. So yeah, RLUSD, fellas, is pretty much they stated, I don't know exactly where I saw it, but they did say like it's ready to go and we're ready to deploy it, but we're just waiting regulatory approval, which I'm sure will be coming swiftly. Okay, let's get into the Ripple press release here. Ripple announces Ripple USD exchange partners for global distribution. Yeah, so for Swell, I was expecting like RLUSD announcement going live. I mean, we still did get an RLUSD announcement with some pretty big stuff. But yeah, so right now it's just pending regulatory approval. So, Ripple, the leading provider of digital asset infrastructure for financial institutions, announced its exchange partners and customers for Ripple USD, an enterprise-grade USD-denominated stablecoin created with trust, liquidity, and compliance at its core. Through strategic partnerships, RLUSD will be available globally for institutions and users on major global exchanges and platforms, including Uphold. Okay, I already read all that to you guys. Quote, with our initial exchange partners, the clear utility and demand for RLUSD, and a strong focus on regulatory compliance, Ripple stablecoin is poised to become the gold standard for enterprise-grade stablecoins. Again, they know the stablecoin market. By 2030, it's predicted to be in like the multi-trillions, and they are, essentially trying to replace USDT. Because for the longest time now, USDT has been just like the household stablecoin name in crypto. But what do we all know about USDT? It's not very legit. It's a little sus. Okay, it's a little sussy. I'm not even kidding. Dude, go down the Tether rabbit hole. That whole thing is absolutely sus. The whole thing is kind of sketch. Right? That's why you see, Binance USD coming in, USDC coming in, and now RLUSD. These actual legitimized, regulated institutions are wanting to step in and get, grab dominance, get their fair share of the stablecoin market, because they do know over time USDT will probably be a thing of the past, and legitimate, regulated institutions backing these, stablecoins are going to end up being the new standard. I mean, seriously, Tether's just some, offshore, unregulated, weird, okay? So Brad says, customers and partners have been asking for high-quality stablecoins, like RLUSD, they don't want to use Tether, to use across various financial use cases such as payments, tokenization of real-world assets, and decentralized finance. Our payment solution will leverage RLUSD, XRP, and other digital assets to enable faster, more reliable, and cost-effective cross-border payments. Putting all of that value and liquidity on-chain to the XRP ledger. Leading market makers such as B2C2 and Keyrock will support the liquidity of RLUSD, driving broader adoption across markets. Now, this is a kind of interesting thing here, which I wasn't expecting to see. RLUSD Advisory Board. Okay? RLUSD is one of the few stablecoins issued under a New York Trust Company charter, which I believe is awaiting the regulatory approval right now, ensuring rigorous oversight and regulation. Ripple has assembled a powerhouse advisory board, including former Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation FDIC chair, vice chairman of Partners Capital and former Center Consortium CEO, and Ripple co-founder and executive chairman Chris Larson to guide the responsible introduction of RLUSD to the market. Okay, the FDIC chair says, former one, that stablecoins will play a key role in modernizing our financial infrastructure and broadening financial inclusion. I am honored to join Ripple's advisory board as they launch their stablecoin with a compliance-first approach. Oh, Gary, oh no. What's Gary going to do? Is this stablecoin a security? I don't know, Gary. Prick. As the digital asset industry grows, responsible innovation will be paramount to their adoption, prioritizing both consumer protection and financial stability, says the former FDIC chair. I think this is a little just kind of fluff that we kind of already know. Enterprise use cases. RLUSD combines the stability of traditional fiat currencies with the efficiency of blockchain technology, making it ideal for financial use cases. Backed by Ripple's enterprise experience and proven track record, RLUSD is built for payments. RLUSD enables real-time 24/7 global payments alongside XRP. RLUSD will be integrated into Ripple's cross-border payment solution to continue to improve transaction time, cost efficiency, and reliability. Ripple's robust payment network covers over 90 markets, representing more than 90% of daily FX volume. It has facilitated over 37 million transactions worth nearly $70 billion. On-off ramps. RLUSD provides a stable, reliable bridge between traditional fiat currencies and the crypto ecosystem. Users can easily convert between stablecoins and fiat without worrying about price volatility, ensuring a seamless and efficient transition when entering on-ramp or exiting off-ramp to crypto space. Tokenization of real-world assets. Compliant and transparent stablecoins like RLUSD provide liquidity, settlement, and collateralization for trading real-world assets such as commodities, securities, and treasuries on-chain. On-chain to the XRP ledger. Going to bring that TVL up, all right? RLUSD provides a stable medium of exchange, reducing transaction volatility and cost. And customer, partner, and perspectives. I kind of already know all this stuff. So, finalization here. Blockchain support and ecosystem growth. Stablecoins play a critical role in decentralized finance. RLUSD's launch on the XRP ledger and Ethereum blockchains marks a significant milestone that introduces a compliant and trusted USD stablecoin for developers and users. The XRPL, with XRP as its native asset, is designed to support a wide range of assets, offering 24/7 settlement and enabling seamless trading on its decentralized exchange. With RLUSD, Ripple is responding to community demand for more credible stablecoins on the XRP ledger, further boosting trading volumes and enhancing the XRPL and XRP's overall utility. That's something we need with XRP ledgers, on-chain activity, right? On-chain liquidity and volume. Each RLUSD token is 100% backed by US dollar deposits, US government bonds, and cash equivalents. To ensure full transparency, Ripple will publish monthly, third-party audited asset attestate. Fuck. Guys, I don't even know if I've ever seen that word in my life. Attestations, I guess, of reserve assets conducted by BPM. Oh my god. Okay, so the rest of it is just statements by customers. But fellas, RLUSD is here. It is ready to go. All the rails are set. It is coming, but the only thing they are waiting for is just the New York regulatory approval. Once they have the green light there, I imagine we see, multi-billion RLUSD mints from the Ripple Stablecoin Tracker account. All right, fellas, this is, 7:30 in the morning, day one of Swell. We still have the rest of today to get through and day two. So we'll keep you guys posted on any more information, updates, announcements, etc. God, dude, I think I'm starting to curse the Bitcoin price now since I started streaming, dude. I swear to God. Since I started making the video, bro, Bitcoin has done nothing but gone down. Good Lord. I think I'm cursing Bitcoin too. Sucks for those guys that I'm showing the Bitcoin charts now, because I love legitimately curse this thing. I'm looking at my other screen here on the 4 hour. Fellas, I don't know what it is, man, with me and charts. The moment I start making any form of content around a chart, dude, it just literally just starts free falling. It's the weirdest thing. Anyways, guys, thank you for tuning in the video today. Really appreciate it. You smash the like, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.